dear Jessamine and Harry, you will come together and you will enroll in this last school. Carry them with you because that is part of who you are. And that is the gift that you will give to each one. Your differences, your background, your culture, your life, your tradition, your love for each other.
Precious time it just passes us by, and we know till it's gone. Time, precious time, it just passes us by, feeling
Harry, congratulations. Hangad ko ang masayang pagsasama niyo ni Jessamine. Sana maging puno ito ng pagmamahalan. Alam ko, masaya si Papa na nakikita ka ngayon.
into the night. Another day is waiting to begin. In the still golden evening light.
Ang ganda mo, pag singsingpet ka.
Time, precious time, it just passes us by, feeling
We just met in a party. Ayun lang, nagka-get to know each other lang kami through text. Which is, ano naman, magkakilala na kami.
Magkakilala kasi yung mga kaibigan namin tsaka kaibigan ko.
this way again. Everything is eloquent, beautiful and innocent. I wanna feel this way again. I wanna feel this way again. For you I fight and fall. 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 For you I fight and fall.
Nag-decide ako na sumunod na sa kanya.
Hindi ko na-expect na susunod siya. Tapos, kasi parang hindi ko nakikita na mag-abroad siya. Tapos, parang nag-decide na lang siya bigla na susunod siya. So, sumunod siya after 8 months sa Dubai.
Never look this way again. Never look.
Nagsama kami for 6 years. Then we decided to get married. So, dito tayo ngayon.
I wanna feel this way again. I wanna feel this way again. For you I fight and fall. 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 For you I fight and fall.
Jessamine, and you have your Jessamine-ness with you. You are Haredas, and you have your Haredas-ness with you.
For you, for you, my love, for you, my love,
Nung nililigawan niya ako, kasi siya lang yung pinaka-unang nanligaw sa akin na nagpaalam sa brother ko na magliligaw siya.
So, dito na tayo. Binaplano natin to for the past 2 years. So, finally, we're here and we're about to do it. And yeah, hopefully, maging happy ka. I love you, baby.
colorful and pause.